Hey everybody, Doug at J Auto and Tire here. What you're looking at today is a 2.0 liter four-cylinder engine out of a 2013 Cadillac. And this car is in here it's got some check engine light codes on there. They happen to be cam codes. And I'm going to show you right here. This is what's called a cam actuator. You sure replace a lot of these things these days, but these things actually help control oil flow to these two cam gears. Now this is an overhead cam four-cylinder engine, so these are two camshafts right here, and what they're doing is they're using the solenoid to actually control the timing of these cams so they can advance or retard the timing of this engine. They do this to get better fuel economy. The problem is if we have some dirty oil, or if one of these things gets locked in place, or this chain right here can stretch, that's what will cause this engine to put these codes out. Very expensive to fix. Now my technician has found that this chain is very loose. It's not supposed to be moving at all. And so this thing is probably either has a stretched timing chain, or maybe one of these cam gears is kind of locking up on the inside of it. But this is kind of a mess, and the biggest thing you can do to avoid this type of thing is keep your oil clean. You have to change the oil on these cars every 3,000 to 5,000 miles. I don't care what your dashboard says as far as mileage or percentage. You've got to get the oil out of these. But anyway, this is why I tell people all the time, keep the car you got, stick some money in it and fix it, because these newer vehicles are getting higher and higher tech, and this engine was designed to get good fuel economy and have good power, but it wasn't designed for longevity, and that's what the average person buys their car for. They want it to last a long time.